With real-time connectivity to disparate factory assets and business systems, PTC Project Sigma for Operational Intelligence brings a new level of unified visibility into production performance monitoring and issue detection. This solution helps companies make decisions quickly by connecting and unifying different sources of internal and external data to deliver real-time performance visibility and real-time issue identification. Using our manufacturing assembly line, let's play the role of a production manager. In the context of this demo, our assembly line is actually referred to as Line 1, as it's intended to be part of a broader manufacturing facility with 8 lines. Using PTC Project Sigma on my tablet or computer, I'm now monitoring the real-time operational performance of my entire factory. All lines, all orders, all assets, and up-to-the-minute KPIs. Notice the yellow status of Line 1 and the alert pointing to an air leak in the pneumatic system of that line. Our maintenance crew would have already been notified of the problem and would be working to resolve it. For the purposes of this demo, we artificially introduced that air leak by opening the escapement valve. Let's go ahead and close the valve. Notice how within a few seconds, everything returns to normal and the line status goes back to green. For a production manager, walking the floor and monitoring operational performance also becomes far simpler with the addition of augmented reality. As you can see, we don't have to go around searching for the sensor readings on the machine or controllers. KPIs can be clearly displayed in the context of my line and/or the associated assets. We may not even have to walk the floor. We can enter a 360-degree view of the shop floor, and with AR KPIs telling us the status of the assets in real time. By enabling real-time performance visibility and real-time issue identification, PTC Project Sigma for Operational Intelligence empowers manufacturers to reduce downtime and increase production throughput in their factory. Thanks for watching these videos. We invite you to check out our website for additional information on how PTC is leading the way in bringing IoT to the factories of the future.